Step 1. Go to Ride Files and copy this link. Step 2. Paste your link in and go to Add a Website. Step 3. Get paid $21.90 times 12 equals $262 every day, and the website we'll be using for this strategy is Google Translate. What's up, guys? And in today's video, I'll show you how to make up to 22 every 15 minutes simply by using Google Translate. You may have already heard of Google Translate before it's translate.google.com, and what Google Translate allows you to do is literally translate between any two languages. So if I type hello over here, for example, and select French, it'll give us bonjour, so super simple to use. And with this method, we'll be earning around 22 every 15 minutes. And that may not sound like a lot, but if I do 22 times 4, because we know there are 4 sets of 15 minutes every hour, that's around 88 every single hour, and most people I know who are using this method successfully are doing it for around 3 to 4 hours every single day. And the method I'll be sharing with you today is very different from the other Google Translate methods that people are using to make money. It's not one of the blog post creation methods. It's not one of the copywriting or transcription methods. Instead, it's a special method that has been very successful for me. You'll see that with this method, you'll be able to make about 10 times as much money as you would have without using Google Translate. And this approach is totally free. You too can start using this method to start making money with Google Translate from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a PayPal account so that you can get paid. Before I walk you through the precise steps you could take to make money using this strategy, all I ask is that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we're going to start right away. So for the first step, you want to head over to Google Translate. And I adore this website because it's one of the simplest ways for people to make money online. To earn money with this website, all you have to do is share a link to an offer. You can get that link from within the website. Whenever someone clicks on that link and takes a very simple action, like entering their email address or first name, we'll be paid a commission. You may earn money using CPA Grip from anywhere in the world. All you need is a PayPal account to get payments. Therefore, all you should do is to register. Click here. Once you have registered and logged into CPA Grip, you will be taken to this dashboard where you can see this public chat board and all of the different CPA Grip users posting the amount of money that they have made on the CPA Grip website. Fill in some basic information and click on Register Now. So, for instance, someone made over $4,000 with more than 3,000 leads generated here. We also have a person in the 6 figures who made over $100,000 on CPA Grip, and if we scroll up, we can see another person who made over $177,000 on CPA Grip. The list goes on. Guys, CPA Grip is a really powerful, lucrative, and effective way to make some really good money, and I personally know of a few. To start making money with CPA Grip, click on Offer Tools, followed by My Offers, so that you can find an offer that you can promote and begin earnings. And right now, I'm going to show you how we can choose an offer that we're going to be able to promote, and I'm going to show you exactly how we can leverage Google Translate to absolutely 5x and 10x the amount of commissions that we're able to make with CPA marketing. You'll see your country displayed over here along with all the related offers for your country. What you want to do, men, is what you want to do. Simply sort by the payout over here and sort to the highest payout. For instance, here we can see that if we share this link to win an iPhone 14 and someone clicks on it and enters their email address for a chance to win an iPhone 14, we will be paid $2.66 each time. You might think that $2.06 is a pretty low investment, but if we manage to persuade 100 people, let's say, to click on this link and enter their email address, which is something we can do with the method I'll be showing you, $2 times 100 equals $2,060. So we're not selling anything. Instead, we're simply getting people to enter their email address so that they're entered into a draw to win an iPhone 14. It's approximately 200 right, which is all right, not bad, and quite excellent, but using the technique I'll be sharing with you today, we'll be able to generate almost 10 times that number. So instead of earning around $2 for each person who clicks on our link and enters their email address to win an iPhone 14, we're going to be making closer to $20. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Simply sort by the payout over here and sort to the highest payout. For instance, here we can see that if we share this link to win an iPhone 14 and someone clicks on it and enters their email address for a chance to win an iPhone 14, we will be paid $2.66 each time. You might think that $2.06 is a pretty low investment, but if we manage to persuade 100 people, let's say, to click on this link and enter their email address, which is something we can do with the method I'll be showing you, $2 times 100 equals $2,060. So we're not selling anything. Instead, we're simply getting people to enter their email address so that they're entered into a draw to win an iPhone 14. It's approximately 200 right, which is all right, not bad, and quite excellent, but using the technique I'll be sharing with you today, we'll be able to generate almost 10 times that number. So instead of earning around $2 for each person who clicks on our link and enters their email address to win an iPhone 14, we're going to be making closer to $20. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'm about to show you how we can choose on our offer that pays us over $20 for each person who clicks on our link and completes a simple task, and complete that action so that we can earn some really high CPA marketing commissions. So in order to maximize the amount of money that we're going to get paid for each time someone uses our link to access the offer that we'll be promoting, you want to filter by these European nations, such as France, Italy, Germany, and Spain, since they typically have much higher payouts for each action that is taken. And now I'm going to show you a website where we can advertise this link via an ad for free that assures us that over 1,000 people will click on our link every 3 days. The name of that website, guys, is trafficadbar.com, and you can see right here that it sends up to 1022 visitors to your website or to the link that we'll be sharing on this website every 3 days. But imagine if only 10 of those visitors actually click on our link every 3 days. We can earn $21.90 just by promoting our link on this website. So let's say that 10% of visitors to our link actually perform the action of entering their mobile number. If we be a little more conservative and say that only 1% of visitors to our link actually perform the action of entering their mobile number, then let's say that 10% of 1,000 is 100 people, and if we do 110 times that, we only have 10 people. Not bad at all, and in the worst case, if we post our link on this website and 1,000 people click on it, but only one person does so, then that's still 21.90 for less than 15 minutes of work, because this is a great website to get free traffic to your site, and we'll be posting it. To sign up for the Traffic Ad Bar, all you have to do is click the Sign Up button. You can sign up by clicking this button, entering your first name and email address, and clicking Join. You will then be taken to a page that says Finish Setting Up, so you literally just want to click on OK. Don't worry about this first step for the time being, just click any of these times. To add our affiliate link or the link that we produced from CPA Grip, click on Save when I click 20 o'clock, for instance. Keep in mind, guys, that whenever someone clicks on that link, we get paid, and completes that action, we'll be paid $21.90, so you should return to your CPA link that you saved earlier. I have mine in the sticky note. Instead of pasting it directly into the Traffic Ad Bar to post your ad at this time, you first want to shorten your link to make it more appealing. To increase the number of people who will click on your link, you want to make sure that your link is shortened and the way it is shortened. This is totally free. It's very simple to sign up. all you have to do is click on Get Started for Free, Sign Up, and Log In. Here, we're going to be promoting our link on Traffic Ad Bar, and we're going to get a guaranteed 1022 visitors to our link every 3 days, and we're going to get paid 21.90 in it. So after you click on Copy over here, so that we've copied this link, you then want to head back over to Traffic Ad Bar, and you want to paste your link into here, then simply click on to add a website. This is where Google Translate is going to come into play. And if we return to CPA Grip and quickly review the offer we're promoting through the link we shortened, we discover that it is simply an iPhone 14 giveaway. In this case, Google Translate should be used. Go to Google Translate and simply type in something like iPhone 14 up for grabs. If you're marketing another offer, such as an Italian, Spanish, German, or French deal, be sure to have English and French or whatever language you're translating your offer to chosen over here. And you only need to click on Copy. Then you want to return to the Traffic Ad Bar and type it into the title text field over here. Okay, so you want to return to Google Translate and say something like Sign Up Now or Enter Here. Okay, so we'll say Sign Up Now. If you don't know how to say it, we don't care. All you have to do is copy that text over here. You just need to paste it to add line 1 and then scroll down after I hit copy to return to the Traffic Ad Bar. And choose the language of the ad and that you're promoting, which we already know will be in French. So we're going to choose French over here. You don't want to scroll down any further, and then you want to target people in France, right? So you're going to click on France over there. You can also choose the time of day that you want your ad to be seen. And once you've done that, guys, you literally want to click Publish. It only takes one of the 1022 people who click on your link every 3 days to take that very simple action so that you can get paid 21.90 for each individual who does so and enters the drawing to win an iPhone 14. So we'll scroll back up. Delete this exclamation mark exactly like that, scroll down, and then click on Save. Now your ad is going to be posted onto the network in front of a French audience. And as a thank you for watching to the conclusion of the movie, here is an extra tip from me on how to generate even more money using this strategy. Just go to Google, and you just want to search for something like free classified ads, websites France OK. And once you've done that, you want to click on this top link over here. Once you've clicked on that link, you'll then be taken to a page like this. And here we have some more French websites so that we can promote our link in front of a very large French audience, okay? And if we click onto the first link over here, that's lebroncoin.fr, we'll be taken to this page. You should simply register for these various French classified ads websites, such as these ones and this one right here, as Google Translate actually offers to translate the entire website for you. In order to scale and maximize the amount of CPA marketing commissions that you are able to earn by using Google Translate, all you need to do is promote your CPA link on these various websites that we know have an entirely French audience. And if you found value in this video, guys, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and bell notification buttons so that you'll be notified whenever I publish a new online money-making video.